In this video I will show you a really nice trick I've learned in order to have ChatGPT actually suggest questions you could be asking next about a topic, saving you time and actually surfacing interesting things. Let's dive in. This is an example question I've just asked ChatGPT. What is a great way to learn prompting ChatGPT? As you see, it kind of replies different things like use educational resources, join communities, etc. Suggests some example prompts to experiment with. And then it has this section about follow-up questions. For example, what are some common mistakes to avoid when creating prompts for ChatGPT? Which is a good question to ask. Indeed, I could just type in Q2 and then it would give me an answer. As you see, it's answered some really interesting things. For example, leading or biased questions, formulate neutral questions to get unbiased responses, etc., etc. And then I get more follow-up questions. How can breaking down complex questions into simpler parts improve responses from ChatGPT, etc.? So you could continue with this. And as I said, it will give you helpful follow-up questions. Now, how do I do this? I'll show you exactly how. Go into your user account, click on Customize ChatGPT, and then there's this field, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? And here's response I've learned from one email author from a newsletter, and which I'm now sharing with you. And the magic tip for the responses for the questions is in particular this. After response, provide 5 follow-up questions worded as if I'm asking you. Format in bold as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and Q5. Place 2 line breaks before and after each question for spacing. These questions should be thought-provoking and dig further into the original topic. And then you click on Save, and that's it. And then you will get these 5 follow-up questions. Comment below if you would like to learn what else is in this prompt, which I learned from the newsletter. I'll share the full version of it. Otherwise, in the video description, I will actually share the snippet so you can copy and paste it. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe for more recommendations about how to use ChatGPT even more effectively.